Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to give you a couple of fun things you can do when you're doing your adductor rocking. If you don't remember, the adductor rock, probably one of your favorite rocks, is rocking back and forth with one of your legs out to the side. And so again, this is a great way to discover your adductor muscles or your groin muscles on the inside of your leg. And typically when we do the adductor rocking, we rock back and forth, but we can do more than that. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have you take your knee and make it soft and let your foot pivot on your big toe and bring that knee down towards the floor as you rock. So you're just kind of touching your knee down towards the floor, pivoting on your big toe as you rock. And what that does is it takes your hip into internal and external rotation as you're rocking. So this is one way you can enjoy the adductor rock. And the reason you would want to do this is because you're made to move in all these different ways. And if you explore all those ways that you can move, you'll have the ability to move in those ways when you need to, or just when you want to. So use it or lose it, or use it and build it, right? So again, we're just taking that knee down to the floor, and obviously we can do both sides. Take that knee down to the floor. Now, just in case you're wondering, it really does help to do this if you're wearing Superman socks. So that makes this so much better. Anyway, another tip I want to show you when you do your adductor rocking is we can use head nods and rotation to really help you discover that your growing muscles are really, well, they're there. There's no doubt about it. So what we're going to do is we're going to look to the right, eyes right, head right, and reach to the right, and that feels okay. But then we're going to go eyes left, head left, and reach. There they are, to the left. And what you'll probably find is more than just your adductors. You might feel this all the way down your entire leg. So, but we're just doing head nods and reaches. Head nods and reaches. And the further you reach, the more you know. So looking over, reach. And if you reach, you'll think, yes, Tim, this is a very special drill. I'm so glad you showed this to me. Anyway, this is 2 things you can do in your adductor rocking. It's just good for your body because it helps you access motion that you might not otherwise know you had or be able to access. And the more you're able to move, the better off you are, right? So we can rock back and forth. As we're rocking, we can pivot on the big toe, let that knee come down towards the floor, and move where you can. Don't move into pain. And then we can also do head nods and reaches, trying to reach around in that same position. All right, give those 2 adductor rocking position or rocking movements a try. One's more rocking than the other, but they're both special. All right, give those a shot. Let us know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.